Hey, I'm Niveta, final year student at CIT Coimbatore. So this is my submission, the Lena Growth Assistant. The Lena's podcast has amazing product advice, but it's buried in hundreds of hours of transcripts. So I built a chatbot that searches through it for you and can turn what it finds into a clean, shareable essay. Coming to the tech stack, the backend's fast API with SQLite swappable for Postgres, and then the front end's React, Vite, TypeScript with a glass morphism UI. The big part was ingestion. I ran it across all 303 episodes, got around 27,751 chunks embedded locally, so search is fast and doesn't hit an external API. So let me just walk through my live demo video. On the left, you can see the database status, that is the working on Supabase with 947 internal chunks. That's the result of the ingested pipeline. I fed in the transcripts, chunked them semantically, and embedded each chunk locally. On the main screen, there is a routing toggle at the bottom, like the auto route, strict QA, and ship 30 for 30 SA. So if I type a direct question, it detects that a QA intent and searches the vector index for most relevant chunks, then answers only using what's in those transcripts. So no outside knowledge or no hallucination advice is needed. If I ask for an essay instead, it switches to the ship 30 for 30 generation path and builds a structured piece instead of a direct answer. You can also see some predefined questions like curiosity loops or career growth, career transitions, and landing page mockups as the artifact. Now, in the settings, there is the actual configuration. So at the top, you can pick your LLM provider. Right now, it's set to Llama, running Llama 3 locally, which means the response aren't hitting any external API. Below that, there's the API key verification. So, if I want to switch it to a cloud model instead, I would just drop the keys in here and I would just pick that up. And then the data ingestion manager. So this shows the index database currently, the SQLite locally, and the chunk count. There's even a manual ingest transcripts button with a configurable limit. So if I add a new episode later, I can just rerun ingestion right from here instead of touching the backend. So now let me just ask a question like about the career growth of the job. Here, as you can see, the question has hit the backend, and the backend questions and the reserve of the reply.